Well, what's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we are reviewing this bad boy.
Behold the new Christ, behold the same old horde. Gather at the altar ring, new beginning, new word. And the word was death, and the word was without life.
Alright, welcome back. Like as I said, we are reviewing the CTR767. This is Snap-on's brand new long head 3/8 electric ratchet. I'm going to show you what it comes with in the box. We're going to talk about price and tell you all about this bad boy. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so anyway, this is the CTR767. As I said, this is brand new from Snap-on. It's been out for a little while. Some people have it, some people don't. Some dealers have had a rough time getting this thing, but it should be on the trucks now in full force. It shouldn't be on back order by now, I wouldn't think anyway. So let's get into it. This package here comes with 2 batteries and the charger, as you can see in the photo. It does have 6 inches of extended length from the body to the tip of the head. It's bulky. This is something that I'm going to say right off the bat, and I've talked about this before in previous videos, more generally for the CTR714, and that's the 3/8 or the 1/4 inch version of this. I've never liked the fact that these batteries stick out so much. They do make it a little bit cumbersome and hard to, you know, when you're trying to get into those areas where you actually need to get the whole ratchet in. This kind of sticks out, but this makes it a little bit easier with the 6-inch head. You can get this into certain spots that, you know, you just couldn't get this into before. And you know, you can compare it next to the 714, and this is Snap-on's 1/4 inch. It's a monster. Let's just be honest. It's a monster. Let's talk about some of the features I like about this. We do have the light. The variable trigger is always nice, and you do have the charge light here on the side. This is where the other 3/8 version, the one with the smaller head, I can't remember the actual part number off the top of my head, but it is it's there too. The 1/4 inch is in the back, if you guys can see that. This is a dedicated 3/8 head. You can swap this out with the 1/4 inch head that came with the original 3/8 ratchet, or the original 1/4 inch ratchet that was in this body. Since then they've moved the 1/4 inch body to a different style. Obviously you could, you know, just look. Okay, some features on this thing. It delivers a max torque of 40 foot-pounds. It has 158 foot-pounds of manual torque, so that would be your breakaway torque when you're trying to you know, break a lug loose or a bolt loose. We have seen tests of it going well over 180 foot-pounds, so don't be afraid of this thing. It's not going to break under normal use. Don't worry about it. Of course, the variable speed trigger is really nice to have. So it is a 14.4 volt battery with a 20 amp hour battery in it. This thing will has a roughly a 45 to 50 minute charge time, and this thing will last, as you know, this thing will last a good day, 2 days, 3 days, depending on your regular use with it. The one and only thing that I do not like about this is they've never really addressed this piece right here. This is the first part that gets damaged every single time. This will be the first part that you ever knock into something. They should have put it somewhere in the head, or you know, just in the base of this thing a little bit better than that. I mean, and this is why they did the 714 like this, because it's kind of tucked in there a little bit better. But like I said, this is the only complaint that I have about this thing. This thing's given me no problems. I've used it non-stop for the last 4 or 5 weeks. It's been great. On snapon.com, they are ranging from $475 for the package with 2 batteries and a charger, and they go down to $357.95, and that's just the tool with 1 battery. Dead body, there's no price for it as of right now on snapon.com. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of Snap-on's CTR767. I will say that again, I've been using this for the last month and a half now, and it's badass. If you are on the fence of buying one and you're thinking that maybe it's too expensive or whatever, don't think about it. It is awesome. It's yeah. I didn't think I was gonna buy one, to tell you the truth, when I first got it, but it's been wicked for me. So I use it almost every day. I try to use it as much as I can. You have to get your money out of things, obviously, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. The thing is a badass. It's a beast. It's such a beast. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and all that fun stuff. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.